brandishing her sword at me.
You can get tapped on the shoulder.
I literally have a picture of her smacking you with her cane.
Do we have one or no? I'm sure we'll have one.
Απλά ήρθαν στο χωριό για να δουν πώς είναι το χωριό, γιατί δεν το ξέρουν. Δεν ήρθαν για να κάτσουν πολύ ώρα. Τζούλη.
Ναι, αλλά άκου να δεις. Πες τον ότι λείπω εγώ στα Χανιά πολλές φορές. Και γι' αυτό. Όχι. Κάτσε μου, έλα να σου πει να πω
Εντάξει είμαστε.
Έλα μωρέ παιδάκι.
Your father, when he came here, he wanted to come here in Madaro just to eat meat and rice.
That's him, that was my dad, meat and
The
potatoes.
Cretan way.
That's right.
For this reason, she insists to try.
Okay, we will try.
Τους το πελί.
Ναι, εντάξει.
Έλα να φέρω, να σου δώσω.
Εντάξει, να κάτσε.
Όχι παιδί μου, να τα δυο κοινά.
Εγώ δεν κάθομαι, δεν θέλω να κάτσω. Άσε με.
Πάρετε παιδάκι με ένα μέσα.
Κατσίκι. Πώς είναι το κατσίκι εδώ?
I think they keep saying my name.
It's the meat is ghost and chicken.
Oh, okay.
The white one is chicken. The other is ghost.
Δεν τον αρέσει.
You show us how to do it. You have to sit down and show us
You
how.
mean goat.
Which one?
Sit down and show us. Sure.
You can't change the mind.
Okay, we are here. We made it. But I
We came
think
just to visit.
minimum 2 days though. I think is the idea.
No?
I'm feeling
Oh
like-
yes.
Done.
This is my grandfather, Nikos,
Yes?
and my grandmother, Eleanor, from Scotland. Oh. Yes, I have the same picture.
Λοιπόν, Μανώλη.
You understand the difference?
The difference in the wedding dress.
Μανώλη τον έλεγε.
And this is my.
Βασίλη,
So this
εδώ που το θυμήθηκα. Θα τους πεις ότι
I got a good
ένα
one.
βιβλίο κάνει μια, θα σου πω, και θα τυπωθεί τον Αύγουστο. Λοιπόν, γράφει της Κρήτης και των κεραμιών τα γεγονότα. Και έχω βάλει και τις δικές μου φωτογραφίες και του πατέρα της και τις δικές μας και όλες, και άμα θέλουν πες τον τότε να μ' αφήσουν το τηλέφωνο να τον στείλω με ένα βιβλίο, δεν θα τα δίνει ακριβά, γύρω στα 50 ευρώ ούτε. Πες το, αν το θέλουν.
They will publish a book probably on August that they have the historical facts of Keramia village like Madaro, Kambi. Keramia is 40 villages. One of them is Madaro. And they publish on probably on August a book, and they have the photos of your grandfather inside.
That's great.
And she told me if you leave the phone or I don't know how you communicate, to send you the book.
Yes. Yes. I will,
Phone,
yeah,
email,
I
and
usually
address.
do email, but I can give her the phone number. That will work. This is, of course, husband and wife, and then she was raised. This is her grandmother. Her grandmother raised her, not her mother.
Yes?
Very, very strong woman. She owned a horse stable in the Western days, in the old Western days. Yep, and like cowboys and Indians kind of thing. So she owned, the very strong grandmother owned the horse stable. And when she got married, her husband gave her a diamond, and he was a gambler. So she had it made into earrings, so he couldn't sneak out and sell her diamond to gamble. So she had made an earring so she could sleep on her ear, and he couldn't get her diamond back for the gambling. So I've got we call it the Megas diamond, but it's really the other side of the family. But yeah, this is from Rock Springs, Wyoming. I have the same picture. And I have this one. He was for a Greek who's very fair skinned and more gray eyes. This,